Welcome, motorcycle enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the exhilarating world of the 2024 Honda CBR650R, a true powerhouse that seamlessly blends performance and style. Let's explore what makes this sport bike a standout in the crowd. For 2024, the CBR650R became the first Honda motorcycles to feature the innovative Honda eClutch technology. This technology promises to make motorcycling accessible to riders of all levels. It works by allowing the rider to change gears without using the clutch. And they can engage the clutch again with the press of a button if they so wish to. This provides for practicality, especially in dense traffic conditions. Powered by a 649 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled inline-four. The engine cranks out 94 horsepower at the crankshaft and roughly 80 horsepower at the business end of the 17-inch rear wheel. A cable-actuated clutch with Honda's new eClutch technology and a 6-speed gearbox with chain final drive complete the powertrain package. The engine is known for its smooth power delivery and a good balance between low-end, immediate torque, and highway passing power. It also is light on engine vibration and easy on fuel. The CBR650R benefits from a moderately aggressive design, inspired by the 2017 Honda CBR1000RR Fireblade, overhauled platform for that model year. For the 2024, the CBR650R gets a sharper, more sporty stance highlighted by redesigned dual LED headlamps inside reshaped upper and lower fairings. And also rider/pillion seat, tail unit, and tail light, giving the bike a sharper and more athletic appearance. Comes with a steel diamond frame, offers core rigidity, while 41mm Showa SFF BP USD front forks and Showa rear shock provide top-tier suspension control. The 4-piston radial mount front brake calipers work in harmony with 310mm floating discs, and the cast aluminum wheels support 120/70ZR17 and 180/55ZR17 front and rear tires. Aside from the updated styling, this CBR gets a larger 5-inch color TFT display that replaces the monocolor LCD unit. The display is now Bluetooth compatible, so riders can pair their iOS or Android-powered smartphones with the vehicle. Comfort is not an afterthought on the 2024 CBR650R. The well-padded seat, adjustable suspension, and thoughtful ergonomics make long rides a breeze. This makes the bike not only a performance machine but also a practical choice for everyday commuting and weekend getaways. In conclusion, the 2024 Honda CBR650R is a testament to Honda's commitment to delivering motorcycles that are both thrilling and practical. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a newcomer to the sport bike scene, this machine deserves a spot on your wish list. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the world of the 2024 Honda CBR650R. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting motorcycle content. Until next time, ride safe.